Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nammane Recipes. Today I'm showing you a very famous mouth-watering recipe, that is garlicky chili chicken. Uh, if I had to tell about this recipe, uh, this recipe is one of the requested recipe among my family members and my cousins. So everybody used to ask like, how do you prepare this? How do you prepare this? So I thought, why not I'll share this recipe with them. I'd like to thank my Kaki for sharing this recipe with us. That's how we all learned it from her. And today my granny is preparing this recipe. So I'm gonna share you the same thing. So firstly, we have placed a big kadai over the stove. So the flame is on the medium side. We are adding around 8 to 10 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is hot, we're gonna add garlic paste. So we have taken around 250 to 300 grams of garlic paste here for 2.5 kgs of chicken. So after adding garlic, we'll have to fry it till the raw smell goes. The garlic shouldn't be fried till golden or something. It should just be fried till the raw smell is gone and it's half cooked. That's it. So once the garlic is half fried, let's add chicken. So the chicken was already cleaned and washed before adding. You can add chicken with skin or without skin. It's totally up to you. Once the chicken pieces are added, stir it for around 5 to 10 minutes so that the garlicky flavor gets mixed with the chicken. So once the chicken is fried, add around a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute it for few seconds until the turmeric is combined with the chicken. Now let's add pepper, approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of coarsely crushed pepper. So if the pepper is coarse, it tastes really great. So adding this and sauteing it again. The pepper gives a very good flavor to this chicken. After adding pepper, add approximately 1 tablespoon of salt. Based on the taste, you can add it later as well. So once the salt is added, again saute it for few seconds. So you can see the water is coming out of the chicken. Now we'll have to place a lid over it and cook it on a medium flame for around 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, we're gonna stir this chicken gravy and add water if required. We are adding water here just to get the gravy. So if you want it, you can add it, not a problem. I think it's better you add little water so that the chicken gets cooked proper. So approximately we are adding around 600 ml of water here. So adding water is totally up to your choice. After adding water, we are adding around 15 to 20 green chilies. This is based upon the spiciness of the chili. So once the chilies are added, again place the lid and cook for around 20 to 25 minutes more. So after 20 to 25 minutes, remove the lid and again stir it. So check the chicken pieces if it's cooked properly. If it's not cooked, you can place the lid and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes on a low or medium flame. And remember to stir it at times to avoid the curry getting stuck to the bottom. The mouth-watering garlicky chili chicken is ready. Switch off the flame. The gravy is looking very watery now, but after keeping it for some time, it becomes very thick and flavorful. So let's place the lid and keep it aside. So garlicky chili chicken is ready. This goes very well with chapati and all sorts of bread, rice and ragi ball. Friends, some important notes to remember here. Pressure cooking the chicken spoils the real taste of this recipe. Hence, open vessel cooking is better. And this recipe can be made with mutton as well, but remember to pressure cook the mutton before adding it, as it takes very long to cook. And the more you add green chilies to the recipe, it tastes really great. Coarsely crushed garlic tastes better than the paste. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. If you have enjoyed, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So, thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a great day.